Hi guys, it's Kev here again and welcome back to another Kev's gear review video. As you know by now, when I do these gear reviews, the products have been extensively tested in the field, at least 12 months, or in this case it's been nearly 24 months to the day, as it's just gone Christmas and I nearly got this for Christmas 2 years ago. So I'll let Lily come in on this one because it's actually a DD Scout Hammock, which we've had for Lily, and it's just a basic 2-layer hammock so you can put your roam out in between the layers. But the only mod we ever did was replace the ends for Dyneema. We took the original cord out because it's lighter for a little lady to carry, and she has carried it. It's been all over the Lake District, it's been all over Peak District. We did, the last time we was out at Kinder Scout, a couple of videos ago, we did have the Dyneema ping and you ended up on the deck, didn't you? But that wasn't the hammock's fault, was it? So, all in all, I think it's been a good hammock.
Yeah.
And it's small enough and light enough for you to carry, hasn't it?
Yeah. I've just grown out of it.
Yeah, that's why we're doing the gear review video today, because Lily's grown out of it and now it's going to be passed on to one of our friends, so their 3-year-old can get loads of enjoyment out of it.
3?
Charlie's 3, isn't he?
Oh.
That's right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, it's pretty lightweight. I think it was about 600 grams. With the cord out. It packs down nice and small. We never ever put it in a compression sack, we just kept it in its DD sack. But even still it was small, wasn't it? But if you wanted to ever put it in a compression sack, you could probably get it down to the size of a tennis ball, really. But it's been a good hammock, isn't it? It's, we've got a few things passing on, haven't we? We've just passed on the sleeping bag as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. But has it been comfy? Do you get a good lay in each week?
Yeah.
Yeah. And was you able to lay diagonal, straight, turn about?
Yeah, I can move about in it.
You never fell out of it, so it's nice and wide, isn't it, for a little one? You never fell out of it apart from when the Dyneema snapped. So if you could give it a score out of 10 out of 10, you know, between 0 and 10, what would you give it and why?
Oh goodness.
You know, 10 being good and 0 being bad. Come on, you can't keep the viewers waiting.
I'd have to give it a 9.
A 9? Well, that's a good score. And why a 9?
Because, well, not a 10 because I grew out of it, but if there was younger people or smaller people, it'd be fine.
But for the price, I think they're only about, I think they're under £20 these hammocks, you know, so we had a good couple of years out of it, so, you know, that would only be £10 a year, so I think that's good value for money. We've had loads of, I don't know, we must have had, I don't know, 70 or 80 nights in it, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be more, but this is our hammock for our winter setups, isn't it? And in the summer we go to the Hennessy, so we have all the mods in it and that, don't we?
Yeah.
And this is our winter hammocks when we only need to use the under blankets. So, it's a big fat 9 out of 10 for Lily. Good value, yeah, it's cheap enough, isn't it? Good value, and it's been comfy, and it's light, so it's ideal for kids, which is why it's called the Scout, I suppose. Yeah? Okay, you've just joined us at the end of our camper trip, so I'm going to finish up packing up, and yeah, that's the end of this gear review video here. Big fat 9 out of 10 for DD Scout.